Hi guys, welcome to the review of the Plarail Railway Series Thomas. Gosh, took the train. Oh, oopsie. So, when I got him out of the box, he runs really good, probably one of my best runners, considering of course that he's brand new. Overall, I think this is a really good 80th anniversary item. It differs a lot from the actual Tommy Thomas. A few of the differences are, well, obviously the face. The running board is painted like a off-white instead of like a really light gray. The stickers on a regular Tommy Thomas are really glossy, but on this one, they're matte. Other than that, there isn't really much to talk about the model. But I'm just really glad that Plarail has decided to make something Railway Series, because Plarail has not been releasing anything good for the last few years. I think Railway Series Thomas is a 10 out of 10 model. It is just perfect. Well, we should probably get back to the running session.